Hello, I'm going to show you how we can encrypt our emails so that we can send them and have people potentially not see what we don't want them to see. So we're going to start by going to PGP for win, that one, GPG for win, pretty, and we go here, go to install it. We will not donate because the financial aid has not kicked in yet, but eventually we will pay it just like everybody pays for WinRAR. So we go install this, hit next, install these, install, allow it to go. So what we want to do next is open up Cleopatra. Loading up here. So I already have one. I'll delete it just for the sake of showing, for completeness sake. Yes. My 5-step process for deleting a key. So want to make a new key pair. Just going to need my name. Make our passphrase. And here we go. So now we have our keys. Let's go ahead and export these. Key. I didn't actually check. Export these public key. Like always, I didn't check to where I actually sent that, so we now have a couple of those, probably. So we have our public key. And if we open this up with the text editor, any old text editor will do, we can see that that is a lot of words and letters. So what we can do, as just a way to show you that this works, is we can go to the same text editor, have a nice new file, and say hello, comma, world. This particular professor was very specific about the comma. We copy this to our clipboard, go to our toolbar here, clipboard, and hit encrypt, add recipient, myself, go next, it's done. We paste. We can see this is what we would send to a bunch of folks, or whatever we wanted to send an email, we would send this to someone. Now the next bit is the private key. Private key, the secret key, is what we would send to other people. This is essentially if you wanted to send out information, you have your key, and you wanted to just have other people to have keys to open up a certain lock. Wasn't the most coherent, but let me just see if I can put it into action. Obviously we have our passphrase, got our secret key. Now I'm curious, is this different than the other one? It is very different, as it should be. I'm just kind of curious. So what we do is we can take this whole message, copy it, clipboard, and decrypt it. Give it a few seconds, have our passphrase, decrypt. Now we can paste this, and that's our deal. We have just taken our email that we would send to someone, encrypted it, or made it just a lot, made it definitely not look anything like our standard email. A lot harder to read. Sent it to if we were to send it to someone, we would have them have a secret key, or in order for them to take this, copy it, decrypt it, change it back to what you originally sent, and we've got our nice message that we got back to ourselves. Now, how in the world do I polish